now we will go ahead and say mapping two lists into dictionary. What if we want to map two lists into a dictionary? List is made with the help of square brackets. Dictionary is made with the help of curly braces, and the list is made with the help of square brackets. And I will say my first list is keys, which is equals to a b c, and because a b c is a character or string type, I will wrap them in quotation, and I will say, let's say my values are 1 2 3 4. I won't wrap them in quotation because they are integer values. And if I say I make a new variable, my dict, which is my dictionary, and I equate it to dict dot in parentheses zip, which will combine these two list, and I will say zip keys and values. What it will do, it will combine those two lists into a dictionary. And if I say print my dict, which is my dictionary, it will give us our list values in dictionary form. So surely a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, and c is equals to 3. But what if I go and say my dict dot keys? It will give us keys of that dictionary. And if I say my dict dot value, it will give us value of that dictionary. And that's how we make dictionary out of list, and that's how we make dictionary.